Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to discuss about the energy sources. Energy. We know energy is capacity to do the work. We need energy to carry out our day-to-day activities such as moving from one place to the another one or to use the home appliances for the comfort. We need energy to produce these items, that is to run the industries. Predominantly, we need electrical and mechanical energy. We get them from converting energy stored in coal or water, solar, wind, or crude oil. Energy is a key source of economic growth because many production and consumption activities involve energy as a basic input. The economy of a country is dependent on the energy sources which are available with it. So every country need to have a energy security. It is defined as uninterrupted availability of energy sources at an affordable price. Looking at that, the APJ Abdul Kalam has given a call to become India energy independent by 2030 by exploring the natural resources available in India. This is the present scenario of India. Still, we are very much dependent on the coal for the power requirements. India needs 4 lakh megawatt power by 2030 with a demand of increase of 5% annually. Though there is a need to have a comprehensive energy policy, India has come out with a integrated energy policy which will take care of energy security, environmental impact and social equity. Let's try to broadly divide the energy sources into two categories. One is renewable sources of energy, another is non-renewable energy sources. Solar, biomass, hydropower, geothermal, wind, these are renewable sources of energy, whereas coal, oil, nuclear, natural gas, these are non-renewable energy sources. Direct solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, hydel energy, ocean thermal energy, bioenergy, geothermal energy, fuel wood, fuel cells, solid weights, these are the renewable sources of energy. Even hydrogen is also a renewable source of energy which is available abundantly in the nature. Fossil fuels, nuclear fuels, these are the non-renewable energy sources, and we have three varieties of the fuels, that is solid, liquid and gaseous fuels. Let's have a comparison between these two. So based on the exhaustibility, renewable sources are inexhaustible, whereas non-renewable are exhaustible. Next is availability. Renewable energy sources are abundantly available, but non-renewable sources are not available. Next is the replacement. Renewable energy sources will be replaced naturally, but whereas non-renewable sources cannot be replaced. Next is environment. Renewable sources are friendly, so whereas non-renewable energy sources are not environment friendly. Cost factor. So building cost is high for the renewable energy sources, whereas operating cost is low, whereas production cost is low compared to the renewable energy sources because of the development in the technology, whereas the operating cost is more. Nature of availability. Renewable source of energy is not available everywhere. It is intermittently available. So whereas non-renewable energy sources is continuously available. Regional restrictions. There is no regional restrictions for the renewable energy sources, whereas we have a reasonable restrictions on the non-renewable energy sources. So energy sources influence economic development, social development and environment concern. In coming videos, I am going to talk about the different energy sources in detail. Thank you for watching this particular video. I request you to subscribe my channel for some more interesting videos like this. Thank you.